Hey everybody, Thca TV here, Thca talking to you. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to have us a cleaning session. We're going to clean us some grinders. We got pretty dirty. So we're going to clean them up. And it's fairly easy. So like I said, we're going to be showing you that today. We'll show you some before and after pictures too. So with that being said, let's go into what you're going to need to do it. You're going to need you a bag, a Ziploc bag, any brand as long as it zip up and ain't no leakage, okay? You're gonna need you some salt. You can use regular house salt, or you can use a coarser salt like Epsom salt or something. And you need some alcohol. It'd be better if the alcohol that you use was at least 90% or better. So with that being said, you're gonna just need you some napkins, okay? A few napkins. You're gonna need a few Q-tips. Alright, and you're gonna need you a tool, a dab tool, good for dabbing or whatever usage that you have. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into what we need to do. Alright, first thing you're gonna do is take your bag, your alcohol, okay, gotta take the tab off the alcohol. You can buy your alcohol at any Walgreens or dollar store or Family Dollar or anything like that, I guess. You know, cheap, $1.25 a bottle plus tax or whatever. So you take off the top. Okay, and then like I said, take your bit and squeeze it into your bag. You don't really need that much. It's only grinders that we're doing, so you don't need that much. Okay, then you take your house salt or your Epsom salt and pour you a nice amount in. Okay, once you do that, okay, so now all you have to do is take your grinders and put them in the bag. Seal the bag up. Okay. And then all you have to do is just take it and shake it. It's gonna take a nice bit of shaking though to get it done properly, y'all. Something else I would advise you to do is to take the different layers of the grinders apart. You could grind them up at the same time, or you could grind one particular grinder at a time. That would be up to you. So this part should have been done actually before I even started cleaning them. Sorry, family. Okay, this is one of the reasons why it's handy to have some napkins around in case you need to do something and you might get your hands a little salty or some alcohol on them. But in the meantime, like I said, it's just take the pieces and shake them real good. The amount of shaking that you need to do depends on how dirty the grinders are. Shaking for a little while. Kind of look in there and see what they look like. All right, they are looking pretty good. A lot cleaner than they were. Way cleaner. Okay. And then you might have some spots in there that's kind of hard to get to. That's where you use your dab tool. Just go in there and scrape it a little bit. All that's bad. It ain't nothing but resins. I had some moon rock, so yeah, a little moon rock in there. You know how that is. If you're smoking some moon rock, you clog your apparatus right up. Not to mention, it's not good for really mixing too much, you know, after the fact that you've been using your grinder for a while. It is good for you to actually clean it to get out some of the old, like I said, resins and whatnot. It gives your weed a little different taste because it's, you know, cleaner. And like I said, just basically just go around in there and clean up if you got any spots that's a little hard to work with. So there you go. Okay. That's what we're looking like right now. Gotta take them and rinse them, family. Be right back. Okay, family. We got them all cleaned up now. I didn't take you through the process of rinsing them and whatnot because I didn't feel like that was necessary. It was just really rinsing them. Okay, but there you go. Nice and clean now. You can see through the screen when you couldn't before. Nice and clean. Okay. I got before and after pictures for you, so don't worry. But yeah, you see it's nice and clean. You see right through the screen now. That's also good for when you grind your flour. After so many grindings, you start to catch a lot of keef in there. And that's good for like when you roll your blunts, and if you want to roll them with keef or whatever, you know. Make sure there ain't no salt on there afterwards, and then basically just put it back together. But today, I got a little something extra. We're gonna be doing a review on some THCA, not THC. Okay, we're gonna be doing a review on some JK Distro Purple Milk. This was a black strain, black label strain. I didn't do a review on it before because I had got it and I never did the review, but I had opened it and start doing a little indulgent myself. So with that being said, I got it, but I didn't get a chance to open it up for you guys with it just coming because I already used some. So with that being said, I got some right here, right now. Okay, so there you go. You see what it looked like? I get some before and afters with this one here too. So you know. So with that being said, let's break up some flour and see what the grinder is doing now that it's clean. Okay. like I say, when you got your screen down there nice and clean, when you do a bit of flour, you get a nice little bit of keep going on, so that's a good thing. Okay. All right, so we got it broke up. We're gonna roll a leaf this time. All right, I got something a little special for you with the leaf, but we'll get into that in another review. Should be pretty good. I got another product coming, like I've been telling you, and it'll be here by probably a day or two. So yeah. Anyway, let's get us a leaf. Wow, that look good in there, y'all. It's looking pretty good, smelling pretty good. It's got a nice funk to it. Like I always say, it's got that stank, but that good stank. Let me see if I can, oh, excuse me. If I can show you this without flipping or flipping the blunt. Okay. So let's get this one going. Now this is the other product that I want to show you. Okay, it's called Blue Guard. I don't really like the licking all on the blunt and all that, so it's here. I'll seal it for you nice and good without all that saliva. No intended fun to no particular person in particular for doing their blunts that way if that's the way they do them. I just don't like it personally. Okay, so got a little on there, and then you can just finish rolling. Go nicely sealed, no saliva. Once you use the glue, you can let it sit for just a little bit, or sometime it'll be ready right away. But anyway, here you go, Purple Milk People, JK Distro. Let's see what it's doing. A little dank smell going on, plus a little piney and fruity. Okay. tasting a little nuttiness, a little piney, like a little hint of fruit. Medication benefit, y'all, is already hidden. It's already hidden. Purple milk. Okay. Well, overall review of it, I would go for is it's a definite 5 nugs. 5 nugs, y'all. It's got a euphoric feeling, giggly, uppity, good social. Should be good for like anxiety, muscle weight, a little pain, you know, medicated benefits of it. Thca, again, no THC. Okay, so like I said, family, I give it a 5 nugs. Well, that's gonna do it for today. Could have got a little bit more in detail about the cleaning of the grinders, but it's a basic phase, you know what I mean? Basically, you just put it in the bag with a solution of alcohol and salt and just shake it. You know, depending on how dirty it is, depends on how long you would have to shake it. But from time to time, you could always go in and check to see what the progress is of the shaking and whatnot. And if you got some pieces that's like iffy and don't want to come loose, it's cool. Just take your dab tool and go to work on it. Shouldn't be hard. Sometimes you might need to use your Q-tip or, like I said, the paper towels. All right, to do a cleanup or to clean up yourself. But anyway, that's about all for today, family. Thank you for watching, and please watch more. I got more content coming. More content coming. So stay tuned. Again, thank you, family. That's it.